Hi, this is Kevin from Reisch Roofing at 19 Schaal, Bridgewater, New Jersey, doing a repair attempt number 2 for, I believe it's Statefarm or Allstate. I think it's Statefarm. You can see this was repair number 1. The shingles above it became creased. This will be repair number 2. As you can see above the repair, there are no creases. No creases. That's number 1. This is number 2. And I am going to stand up the phone. Hopefully it doesn't fall. So, after the repair attempt is done, you see a crease forming right here, a little bit right here, got another one right here, also a crease right here. As you can see, there is a crease forming on these shingles. These shingles aren't repairable without causing further damage to the surrounding shingles. Just like this repair is the same. My professional opinion, this whole roof should be replaced, not repaired, because we have to bring the property to pre-storm conditions, and these creases weren't here prior to the storm. They shouldn't be here after the repair.